Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Vardhan and I am currently pursuing my BTech third year at Weldtech University, Chennai. Today I am going to present my internship project, FoodGen-AI. It is an AI-powered food ordering platform with a intelligent food recommendation chatbot. The main objective of this project is to build a modern food ordering platform that not only allows users to order food online but also provides a personalized food recommendation using the chatbot based on the user's mood and cravings. Where through this project, I have gained a practical experience in developing a complete full stack web application using the technologies. And the overview of this internship is during my internship, I worked on both the front end and back end of the application. I learned to build a responsive user interface and using React and Vite, develop a secure backend APIs using Node.js and Express, and manage data using MongoDB. One of the major skill I gained using the Git and GitHub for version control, managing project changes, and collaborating efficiently. I also improved my debugging skills and API integration. Where next user user flow. This slide shows the complete version of the FoodGen-AI user flow. First, the user can log in with the secure authentication, JW authentication, and then the user can browse different food items and food menus in the in the application. Then, instead of browsing food items manually, uh, user can instantly ask AI chatbot and describe their mood or craving, such as I want to eat something spicy or sweet. Where the chatbot will recommend some food items. Those food items can be searched and add to cart, make a secure payment, and get a food ordering confirmation. And the project overview is FoodGen AI combines a traditional food ordering system with artificial intelligence. This application includes essential features such as user user registration and logins securely using JWT authentication, token-based security with cookies management, and shopping cart management, order tracking, and integration, payment integration. The main highlight of this project is the AI chatbot. Unlike normal food ordering applications, this chatbot understands the natural language and recommends food based on the user's mood, craving, and preferences. This makes the application more interactive and provides users with a personalized food ordering experience. And then technical implementation. For this application, we use React.js and Vite for the front end and to make a fast and responsive user interface. And for backend, I used Node.js and Express.js to create REST APIs that handle user authentication, food management, cart operations, and order processing. And for data management, I use MongoDB to store the user information, food details, and order history. And Redux Toolkit was used for the state management, which Auxius handled the communication between the front end and back end. I also integrated AI chatbot that process users' inputs and generates personalized food recommendations. Throughout this project, I used Git and GitHub for version control and Postman for API testing, and technical importance and learning outcomes are I learned how front-end and back-end communicates through REST APIs and how authentication is implemented securely using JWT tokens and cookies. And I also learned database designs, API testing, debugging, error handling, and project organization flowing industry practices. The most interesting part was the AI chatbot in this application. This feature taught how conversation AI can improve user experience by in- providing personalized food recommendations based on the natural language input. Overall, this project strengthened by knowledge of React, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, authentication, Git, GitHub, and AI integration. Finally, the conclusion of this application is to FoodGen-AI is a complete AI-powered food ordering platform that combines modern web technologies with artificial intelligence. This internship gave me a valuable hands-on experience in full stack web application and taught me how to build, test, debug, and delay deploy real-world applications. Uh, it also improves my technical skills, confidence, and problem-solving abilities for future internship and software development roles. And I will show you both the user view and admin view of the internship project. This is my admin view of FoodGen AI. Here we can search by restaurant names which was present in the application. We search KFC, we got KFC. Here we can make orders in the admin view. If we go into the menu item, we can make changes here. If we want to delete, we can delete the items, or if we want to add items, we can add here. If I would like to add KFC meal, I can make something name, make a price of we can make some description which can describe AI. How many quantity do I have to add. If I make 17 and make an get a URL from the Google, get the image URL and paste it here. Make add. Here we can see, and here we can see the item was added here. And if you want to add some more, you can name the categories as lunch, breakfast, like that. If you click the logo, we can go back to the home page, and here we can view reviews of the restaurants. In this review session, we will get the in bullet points, and if you want to see the restaurants by reviews, we can here click sort by reviews. or if you want to see by rating, we can click sort by rating. Otherwise, if you want only pure veg, you can click here and get only pure veg restaurants. Otherwise, we can click show all. You can get all the restaurants present in the application. Here we can see the chatbot. When we give the description here, it will suggest some food items. If you would like to eat a sweet, it will suggest some of the sweets, or here it suggests a coke. If you would like to get that, you can get into the menu and add the item into cart and make a payment and get a confirmation of food items. And then if you would like to add restaurant, click add restaurant and make the name and fill the addresses. If it is a pure veg, click pure veg, add the coordinates of the hotel, add URL of this of that, click create. It will create. Here I have added two, and this one will be non-veg and this will be veg. If you would like to go pure veg, it will also show here. It is a pure veg. And then now I will show you the uh, user view. User have to log in from here. If the user is new, without login, if a user would like to add the items to cart, it will redirect to the login page. If the user is new, user have to register first. Give your name and email. Make a password. Confirm the password. With the phone number. If you would like to choose the avatar, you can choose from your browser and make register. Here we logged in successfully, and from here we can check the restaurants, how many present in the user view also. The user can check here the review of the restaurant. If he would not like to see at the summary, you can use the AI chatbot, and the user can make changes of his profile, edit profile, make changes of username. If you would like to add avatar, change the avatar and update. You will get update successfully pop up. And if you would like to go back to home page, click order it logo. And if you would like to make a order, make the item, add to cart, select the quantity of the item and get into cart, check the payment and check the quantity you have added or correct or wrong. If you would not like to get the item, you can make delete here. If you would like to make payment, get into checkout. It will redirect to the Stripe. Here you can give your details. you can make the payment. Here we can make the payment process, and when we get a payment completed, the order has been delivered successfully. When we go back to the orders and check the orders, there will be no orders where payment has been completed. So that's all. And thank you for giving this opportunity to WSA and Richa ma'am and her team for the guidelines, and thank you to all.